Hi guys, I'm Ash and we're going to be making mashed potatoes. So this is kind of like tricky because you're going to need to have two kinds of potatoes. Yukon Gold potatoes and russet potatoes. And you're going to need milk, butter, sour cream, chives, salt, and goat cream, and some garlic. And we're gonna prep the ingredients and meet you guys at the back of the stove. Now that we've prepped all of our potatoes into equal amounts, we're going to add them to the water. And make sure you don't drop them. Add them gently. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of salt in.
A lot more. A lot more.
We're gonna get ready our butter and cream.
Heat up our butter and cream.
Alright, heat up our butter and cream. Now we're gonna just pour it in. This will probably take 15 minutes, so we'll see you back once it's ready. So now that all our cream and butter is heated up, we're gonna pour some of this smashed garlic I smashed like this.
Take it off the heat.
I'm gonna take it off the heat and let it infuse. So the secret to good mashed potatoes is a ricer. So this is what a ricer looks like, and if you swipe it, it'll go to how smooth you want it. We're gonna do this one. We're gonna do this one, not any of the other ones. And my dad's gonna help because the potatoes are very hot. We put that in. That. So now that we have riced all of our potatoes, we are gonna put our sour cream and butter into here, and I'm going to stir it. The reason we have to stir it is so we don't get all that hard garlic. Now I'm gonna mix it. It's super hard. It starts to get nice, sticky.
Add your sour cream. Add your sour cream.
Now I'm gonna add the sour cream. I know how you do it.
I'm gonna take this near the spoon and
Dump the chives in.
I'll dump the chives in.
Give it a mix. Give it a mix.
Now mix it.
Add the cheese. Add the cheese.
Now add the goat cheese. Add the goat cheese. Now mix it again. Now you have mashed potatoes. Well, now that we've mixed all of it, I'm gonna do a taste. Very delicious. Oh, I have another one. Looks so good. So good. Bye.